In this video, me and my friend Little Me played against each other in every game within PvP Club. I think you're gonna beat me in sword.
Oh, you might beat me. I'm a little rusty right now for some reason. Even though we literally
Oh!
I mean, like, it is my main.
Yeah. My main
We're gonna
right
get
now.
to maze and you're gonna rock my shit.
Yeah, but I play spear mace now. I've matured.
Yeah, but you're still better than me at mace. I might die, actually. Yeah, you're gonna beat me. And also, it's first to free on each.
Yo! No! Let me out! Let me out! This is not
Please just not a dance. I'm begging for it. I'm scared for it. Please just let me out. Wait, should we do POVs?
Sure. You have to send me the oh my! You have to send me the footage though.
Yeah. Okay. Kind of misery, the kind of you were
Copyright,
missing me
copyright.
on- Oh. I miss the kind of tongue.
Yeah.
I miss the kind of tongue Siri. I miss. Okay, I cannot make a song out of that.
Yo!
Lag. I'm starting to lag.
Yeah, bro, I'm wanna.
See, I do have worst client on, but you can check because since I'm gonna send you the recording, I don't have any hacks on.
Alright. No, GG's. I miss my kind of.
Alright, is this UHC?
No, it's Axe.
Oh.
I know it sucks.
Oh my god, I just got a I just got a big hit of nostalgia.
Like, why do you have a
chicken? Like, what is the point of having a sword and axe?
Yeah, like, I don't understand why there's a sword and axe
What I thought was an axe. Yeah, I'm gonna die in this one.
Maybe not. I think you will win.
I'm at 2 hearts. I went at 2.
I was at 1.5.
Alright, if I win this round, I win overall. Oh, there goes her. Yep. Kaboom! There goes her shield. Watch it crumble. I'm pretty sure it's copyright. No, it's not.
It's by Harry Tinkles. Does that name sound copyrighted?
No, like I genuinely mean I cannot.
No, same. I use fucking metal to edit.
Yeah, I tried metal and I don't know how you fucking edited it.
Yo, can I pearl catch or what?
I don't pearl catch at the start of the game. I like do the like.
I'm on top of the world.
The one thing you know about me is I hate speed.
Yeah.
And
especially in Paul.
It's so weird. Oh, I still have my light. Elytra is so clutch when you're about to get maced, because all you really need to do is just go into flying mode and your hitbox becomes a block, like half a block. Ow.
But you still got hit. Because Harry Tinkles is in the game.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, like, this is why I said he's gonna beat me.
No! No!
Mace at the start of the video. You gotta bear with me. Oh, FPS jitter. You see that? Well, you will see. Ah! Just kill me already.
GG's.
That was so cool. You like ended the 1v1 when I went into spectator looking at me.
Oh, the aura of Tom.
Tom Pearl. There's no tiki fog. There won't be a next time. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Yo.
Fucking taking 2 hours to find my fucking wind bursts. Tiki, my
Copyrighted.
jacket,
Copyrighted.
Are you sure?
Think so.
Okay. Holy!
Here comes the A train.
Like, what is with my...
Here comes. Nice. No! You almost popped my totem.
Why do I... I'm gonna die.
I thought there was a pearl.
I'm just like so dead.
GG's.
Oh, I'm on top of this bitch. I'm on top of this bitch.
You're actually like crazy on UHC.
I am.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't really know. I just like can't figure out where to place all my shit. I fucking can't figure out. Okay,
let me just.
I think this is good.
I'm changing my hotbar. Hold on. My bad.
I'm on top of this bitch. I'm on top. Wait, hold on. I know why I'm lagging so bad. I'm also screen sharing on Discord.
I'm done.
Fuck. When I turn off the screen share on Discord, 200 FPS. I'm on top of this bitch. I'm on top of this bitch. Ooh. Really?
I'm trash at UHC.
Oh. Great minds think alike. I went in water!
Jeez. Who actually plays in the right ball?
Talking shit.
Yeah.
Like, you barely have any more value. You just have so much, like, basically, that ball.
Yo. Ay! Yo, chill. I missed.
Actually, no.
Yo, chill.
I'm on the bitch. Keep running. You just like eat an apple.
Bro.
You just probably know where I'm still happy.
No, I didn't fall
It's
No, I literally did.
You ready? Remember, I have a cursor. It's not really good. I don't have to
Yo, another way actually sucks.
I know. This is just not.
Ow! Oh,
Like, this is just sort of more stuff. Finally, strength zone. You just gave me strength.
yeah, you're welcome.
Yep. Wait, oh, it's okay. I'm sorry, sorry. Oh, that one is no.
It's not cocky, it's honesty. Oh!
Yeah, it's like...
No
Yeah, I'm
problem.
back in this bitch. Ah! I guys just suck. I should put sword over here. I'm getting combo. It's all because I have a cursor on my screen. It's like, I fucking sweat this and strength.
Oh.
I'm back in this bitch.
Jeez.
I was not look at my second monitor to find out where my cursor is. Oh, I don't have my stuff set up. Can you like be a nice person and let me get my stuff? Like that'd be really nice. Alright, thank you. That's very nice of you. Everybody subscribe because he's a nice ISO speed.
W speed.
We thought we fell in love. I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted, so.
No, you didn't sing the lyrics right anyway, so.
I know. Make it fucking. I just wasted like all of my cobwebs on that.
No, I suck at UHC.
UHC. I used to be so into Minecraft PvP. I'd search up on my iPad Minecraft PvP. And it would always be some Wembu shit.
Did I just? Who actually plays like mid pot? Oh my!
You won't find it. So I won't first.
Oh.
No, you first,
Like people, like gamers, like that's actually all you game.
I know, it's like why we have quits if it's 200%. It's the part of the game. How come fill it up and then the size with me? I'm gonna help what?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh.
I don't see quits now, yeah, it's just fucking playing out. Because you know people crystal. And like, when you get into the ground, like,
What's it called? What?
mob digger. Oh, fun stuff, watching my inventory. Oh, I'm out of spare. I'm done. There's a pretty complex.
No, no, wait, what's it?
I think it wasn't done. 3, 2, 1. Okay, for me. Okay. Right, you should have like one hell near this, right? Oh, that was red side. Oh, let me out. This is not dance. I'm sorry, I'm angry. Please let me out. Here's the sword. Oh, I'm this one, right?
Yo.
Like, actually so fast. Like, I don't see. Let me out. This is not dance.
Stop talking.
Please let me out. This is not dance. I'm angry. Did you roll that?
Yeah.
No.
What's it?
What?
Yo, wait, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yo, my headphones go out, bro. Oh.
I'm like, yo, stop talking. And you say, wait.
Yes, sir.
Green bitch.
Yes!
I hate this game mode. It's just not fun. Especially with the speed.
It's better than Nevpot, at least.
Yeah, I guess it is. You're hitting pretty some smithy. No.
First. Bobby's cooking. Oh.
We should do a video on Delivery and Beyond.
Maybe. But I mostly just play Minecraft on my channel. Yo, chill.
Chilling is for the chills.
Snitches get stitches and end up in ditches while get no bitches.
Fucking that one SpongeBob fucking up against the locker.
I didn't catch the reference.
Fuck.
Fuck, yo, man.
Pot is just basically a longer version of Sword. It's just like Nefpot is even a longer version.
Let me out!
No, I missed one hit and you got out.
Yeah, cause you didn't. Let me out! Let me out!
Alright, I won.
Almost yes, but yeah. Yes.
Really using shield?
Of course I am.
Did you not pop up?
Yes, I did.
Did you not pop up? Yeah, this is not that. I'm different. Please just let me out. Come over. You get so low. Low one. What's this? That's me.
Yeah.
You get so low. That's me. Oh, me. I just got fucking ball. I have my phone up so I can do that.
What the fuck was that?
That was it. I don't want to call it the name.
Yo.
Very good. I'm just playing right now.
Isn't that what you
I'm gonna
No, you play alone when you know you're gonna lose.
Yeah.
For example, fucking when we play Maze, you play ground, but then so.
I like round like 1 time.
Yeah, and it feels like you do like 100 times, because how annoying is this?
Okay. Yeah, we get to pop up.
No.
Oh, it's like, we got this. Okay, let's, I just want to talk. You know? Shut up. It's not like, put the gun down.
Yeah, you shut the fuck up!
Fuck. Put the gun. Oh. You know, you said one spot, I roasted.
I did it well when I could.
Oh, you're so low. Fuck, guys, what is it? So low. Maybe at least speed of corruption.
Oh my, finally. Hold on, let me change my hopper.
Yeah, don't we all need to, bro?
Yo.
Fucking get out the fire. Oh, I'm so stupid.
Oh.
I turned into.
Thank you guys for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, and make sure to check out Little Me's channel. I'll link it in the description, and peace out, chirp chachos.